Welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are discussing about previous questions of this chapter. So let's start the question. Let alpha comma beta be the roots of the equation x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. If an is equals to alpha power of n minus beta power of n for n greater than or equals to 1, then the value of a10 minus 2a8 divided by 2a9. So that value is either 6 or minus 6, 3 or minus 3. So we find out the value of this one. So by the given equation is what here, x square minus 6x minus 2 equals to 0. Alpha comma beta be the roots here. Alpha comma beta be the roots. So what we get here, alpha comma beta be the roots, then alpha plus beta equals to minus 6 we get here, alpha beta equals to minus 2 we get here. Clear? So I will write here, that implies alpha plus beta equals to minus 6 by 1, that is nothing but plus 6 we get here, and alpha beta equals to minus 2 we get here. Okay, so here given value is nothing but n is equals to alpha power of n minus beta power of n. Okay, so we find out the value of a10 minus 2a8 divided by 2a9. a10 can written also alpha power of 10 minus beta power of 10 minus 2 of a8. So how to write a8? Alpha power of 8 minus beta power of 8 divided by 2 into a9. a9 is nothing but alpha power of 9 minus beta power of 9. Beta power of 9. Okay, so see here, alpha power of 10 is there. So alpha power of 10, how to write it? Alpha power of 10, that can it also alpha power of 8 into alpha power of 2 also we write here, minus same beta power of 10, can it also beta power of 8 into beta power of 2. Okay, so minus 2 of alpha power of 8, that is nothing but 2 into alpha power 8 minus into minus plus 2 beta 8 beta power of 8, so 2 alpha power of 9 beta power of 9 we get here. Okay, so see here, observe this one here, alpha power of 8, alpha power of 8 is there. So what we get here, alpha power of 8 take common, we get here alpha square minus 2, alpha square minus 2 we get here. Okay, next we take common beta power of 8 also, plus or minus beta power of 8 take common, what we get here, beta square minus 2 we get here, divided by 2 into alpha power of 9 beta power of 9 we get here. So by the given equation we write here alpha comma beta be the roots, then we are satisfying the equation, we are substituting alpha value and beta value. అంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ బీటా వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. అంటే ఇది ఆల్ఫాను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 6 ఆల్ఫా మైనస్ 2 ఈక్వల్ 0 we get here. That means here alpha square minus 2 equals to 6 alpha we get here. Alpha square minus 2 equals to 6 alpha. As usually beta square minus 2 equals to also 6 beta we get here. So here we got that values, so we substitute here alpha power of 8 of alpha square minus 8, that is minus 2 is equals to 6 alpha minus beta power of 8 into beta square minus 2 equals to 6 beta we get here by 2 of alpha power of 9 beta power of 9 we get here. Okay, so then after here 6 alpha power of 9 minus beta power of 9 6 of by 2 of alpha power of 9 minus beta power of 9 we get here. Okay, 6 alpha into 8 alpha power of 8 is there, 6 alpha power of 9 we get here minus 6 beta power of 9. So when we are taking common 6 we get here alpha power of 9 minus beta power of 9. Here also denominator already is there, alpha power of 9 beta power of 9. So both are cancelled, here 2 ones are, here 2 threes are. So what we get here, 3 will be get here, that is nothing but 3 is the answer. So the option belongs to third one. So third one is the right answer. Right, next question. If a triangle PQR angle capital R is equals to pi by 2, if tan of p by 2 and tan of q by 2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then first option is nothing but a plus b equals to c, second option is b plus c equals to 0, third one is a plus c equals to b, fourth one is b equals to c. So given here angle PQR be the, so triangle PQR and angle R equals to pi by 2 is given here. Okay. So then after tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c. That means here sum of the roots we write a tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 is equals to minus b by a. And product of the roots we write here tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equals to c by a. Okay. So then after in triangle ABC we know that here p plus q plus r is equals to 180. Already r value is given here, that is nothing but pi by 2. So what we get here, p plus q is equals to pi minus pi by 2 we get here. Okay. So why? Because here angle r equals 90 degrees, then p plus q remaining two angles is equals to pi by 2. So directly also we write here, that is nothing but p plus q equals to pi by 2. Okay. Here given angles are p by 2 and q by 2. So that's why we are dividing both sides by 2. What we get here? P by 2 plus q by 2 is equals to pi by 2 by 2. That is nothing but pi by 4. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90. Pi by 4 is 45. 90 by 2 is equals to 45. So we are applying tan on both sides. So what we get here? Tan p by 2 plus q by 2. Tan p by 2 plus q by 2 is equals to tan pi by 4. So what is the tan pi by 4 value? That is 1. So tan of a plus b form is, this is tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 divided by 1 minus tan p by 2 tan q by 2. That equals to 1. So we substitute the values of tan p by 2 and tan q by 2. So here given here tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2, that value is minus b by a. So we got that value, so we substitute that one, minus b by a. 1 minus product of the roots also given here, that is c by a. So c by a we write here, that equals to 1 as it is. So minus b by a divided by a minus c by a, that equals to 1. So denominator value cancel. So what we get here, remaining value minus b is equals to a minus c we get here. Minus b equals to a minus c. So see here total value take this side. What we get here? Minus c take this side c, and minus b take this side we get here plus b. So a plus b equals to c we get here. So a plus b equals to c. That means here that option is nothing but first one. So that is the right answer. Right, next question. The product and sum of the roots of the equation mod x square minus 5 mod x minus 24 is equal to 0 are respectively. First option is minus 64 comma 0. Second option is minus 24 comma 5. And third one is 5 comma minus 24. Fourth one is 0 comma 72. Clear? So ikkada find out ఏమన్నా ఏంటంటే product and sum of the roots అన్ని find out అన్నాడు. So given equation first of all we take here mod x square equals to 0. Okay, find out the factors of this equation first of all. So minus 24 into 1 is nothing but minus 24. Okay, so minus 8 into 3 is equals to also minus 24. Minus 8 plus 3 is equals to minus 5. Okay, so that's why we take this roots here. So mod x minus 8 mod x plus 3. Mod x minus 8 into mod x plus 3 is equal to 0. So that's why mod x equals to 8, mod x equals to minus 3. So this is not possible. So why? Because negative is there. So mod x equals to 8 only possible. That implies what we write now, x equals to plus or minus 8 we write. We have only two roots here. So number of solutions of given equation is nothing but only, here I will write here, not finding here number of solutions, but how many solutions are there? Number of solutions is 2 plus 8 and minus 8. Clear? So here product of the roots we write here, product of the roots. So that equals to plus 8 into minus 8, that equals to minus 64 we get here. Okay, next one, sum of the roots here. Sum of the roots is nothing but sum of the roots plus 8 minus 8, that equals to 0. Clear? So sum of the roots is 0 and product of the roots is minus 64. So number of solutions of the given equation is nothing but 2. Clear? So what are they? Plus 8 and minus 8 only. Clear? So here 3 questions are included in this question. Either number of questions, number of solutions find out here, or what are the solutions and sum of the roots and product of the roots. Clear? So that means here first option is nothing but right answer, minus 64 and 0. So minus 64 and 0. So that's why we take a minus 64 comma 0 is the answer.